Gonna be making this breakfast pizza today on the Big Green Egg.
So we're gonna just be making a breakfast pizza today with some sausage right here. I've got an onion, jalapeños, some cheese. We're gonna throw an egg on it, so let's get to it. Now this is some pizza dough I made a couple days ago, and it is made, it's my favorite pizza. It's made with, this is a pizza flour as well as regular flour. It does not contain sugar, so it don't burn on the Big Green Egg. And I'll put a link in the description below. I have a little short video that shows you exactly how I make it. Sprinkle a little more flour on it so it don't stick. Spin it in the refrigerator. Cream cheese. We'll just go around like that. I got some cheese edges stuffed here. We're going to use some garlic flavored olive oil here. If you have some garlic or infused olive oil, and use that as the sauce. And just brush it all on here. And add cheese. The sausage that I just cooked up. I like some onion. And I do like some jalapenos. Add a bit more cheese. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to make 3 little wells, just a little bit, for an egg. Kind of like that. Maybe not so much toward the edge. Just like that. Well, that looks something right there.
So we got it in here on the Big Green Egg. We'll cook this 12 minutes or so till the egg gets nice and done, everything gets nice and melted, and then I'll see you inside. We'll cut into it. Well, here it is. Does that not look just incredible?
That does look pretty.
And it turned out really, really good. So let's go ahead and cut into it. Let's go right down between the eggs first. And let's go straight through that one. See if we get...
I wouldn't.
No? All right, how about that? One piece just like that.
Yeah.
Let's do it that way, yeah. And then do one piece like that. And then, I don't know about that
I
one.
would just do this piece
Yeah,
for you.
we're gonna try this out. Look at that right there. Holy moly. All right. Give it a try.
Wait until you bite that yolk.
See how that looks right there. So
And that's almost.
it's cooked all the way through, so there's not much of a runniness on this one.
I guess that's probably for the best. I like dipping in it.
Mhm. Yeah, really good. Might cook it a little less if you want it runny, but that's actually good just like that. And wow, breakfast pizza done on the big green egg. That's some good stuff right there. Be sure and check out one of the other videos. I know you'll want to. I'll see you in the next one.